Hi my lovely viewers, this is LOIT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set screen and sleep when plugged in. Turn off my screen after in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the search and then go to the settings, and here we can directly click the system. So in system there have power and battery. So in these options there have sleep, battery use and battery saver. So click here. So here is screen and sleep. So there have lots of option here. We want when plugged in, then turn off my screen after 3 minutes. We can set lots of option, and as well as we can set the neighbor. So in this way we can use this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will do so much.